Writ of habeas corpus. The first writ which can be issued by Supreme Court under Article 32 and by the High Court under Article 226. It is derived from the Latin word to bring a body or where is the body. If a person is illegally detained by police authorities or any public or any private authority, then that person can go to Supreme Court or High Court under Article 32 and 226, and court can issue a writ of habeas corpus to produce a body in front of the court to examine the legality of this detention, whether that person is detained legally or illegally. Who can issue writ of habeas corpus? Supreme Court and High Court can issue the writ of habeas corpus. By law, Parliament can confer the same power on any other court within the territory of India. Question number 2. Against whom habeas corpus can be issued? It can be issued against the detaining authority, public or private. When the writ of habeas corpus will not be issued? Number 1. When the detention is lawful, a person is lawfully arrested and detained, then habeas corpus will not be issued. Number 2. When the detention is done by competent court. Number 3. When the proceeding is going on for contempt of court or contempt of legislative process. Number 4. When the detention is outside the jurisdiction of a court or that concerned High Court. There is a famous case of A.K. Gopalan versus Union of India regarding the issuance of writ of habeas corpus. We will discuss that case law again in detail while discussing these writs in detail. This is done just for the sake of understanding.